Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen. Smart and Android TV are becoming a must-have tech on every Filipino homes. Lalo na't mas nauhumaling na ang mga tao sa online streaming apps and websites rather than watching on local TV networks. Paano di magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng transition ay patuloy pa rin ang pagsuppress sa press freedom dito sa bansa. Kaya tuloy nakukulangan na lang ng selection ng mga tao sa kanilang papanoorin. Ikaw ba naman pinasara mo ang pinakamalaking TV network sa bansa dahil lang nasaktan nito ang damdamin mo? Ano ba naman yan? Parang ewan lang talaga no? Parang bata ang Anyways, getting a smart or Android TV can get really expensive. Pricing often starts at 7,000 pesos plus the TV is probably just a 32-inch screen. Buti na lang meron tayong alternative way para magkaroon ng Android TV sa murang halaga lamang. That's the use of a TV stick. TV sticks are a media streaming devices that let you stream videos, install Android apps, and play music to any regular TV as long as it has an HDMI slot. Di nga lang mga TV kundi monitors or projectors din ang pwedeng paggamitan ng TV stick. Now I have here the most famous and might be the best TV stick that you could get in the market, the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. The Xiaomi Mi TV Stick is the smaller and cheaper version of the Xiaomi Mi Box 4K. In here, it only has 1GB of RAM and can only project up to 1080p resolution at 60Hz. I bought this in Lazada for only 1,040 pesos, but it was on sale then, so you'll probably be getting it around 1,500 to 1,800 right now. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. But if you'll enjoy this video, a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be... Di ko alam. Right off the bat, here is the package. Let's slice off the seal to open up the box. We pull this slide so we can see some paperwork, the TV remote, power adapter, micro USB cord, and the Mi TV stick itself. And that's about it for the unboxing. Now let's talk about its design. The Xiaomi Mi TV stick has the dimensions of 92 by 30 by 15 millimeters and weighs about 29 grams. It is super portable and can be easily put into your pockets. And you can say na it does look like a big flash drive. It has a Mi branding at the front and the micro USB port at its side. The remote that came in the box is linked through Bluetooth. What's great about this is that you don't need to aim the remote to anything katulad ng mga regular remotes na naka-IR blaster. You don't need to raise your arm to change what you are watching, so dagdag pa yun sa pagre-relax mo sa panonood. What's also great is dahil hindi na siya naka-IR blaster, you can control it from afar. You can carry it around your house and still be able to change channels on the Mi TV stick. In all honesty, this should be implemented to all TV remotes out there. IR blasters are a thing in the past and tech companies should move past from using it or even adding it to phones. The remote has standard controls for navigation, volume, power, back, and menu. Additionally, it has controls for Google Assistant and 2 dedicated buttons for Netflix and Amazon Prime. It is powered with 2 AAA batteries, a standard requirement for every remote out there. Now back to the Mi TV stick. It has a quad-core Cortex A53 processor, which are commonly used on entry-level chipsets designed for budget smartphones. Its GPU is an ARM Mali 450 with a RAM capacity of 1GB and 8GB of system storage. Spec-wise, you can expect an entry-level performance on this device. It is not that quick, but for my experience, it is satisfactory. However, it does have its hiccups, times when it's slow to respond to my commands. But in this type of processor, you wouldn't really expect a consistent smooth performance. In terms of storage, 8GB is pretty small for smartphone standards, but you won't really download a ton of apps on an Android TV. And besides, its Google Play Store only has limited apps compatible, unlike the Play Store on a smartphone. So you might download a few additional apps like a TV browser or a few games, but it'll definitely fill up the storage quickly and expect the performance to decrease. Speaking of games, you can actually game on the Mi TV stick. You can even link your Bluetooth controller to play the games properly. I've played a few games such as Beach Buggy Racing and Bomb Squad. It does fairly decent considering it has an entry-level chipset. But of course, some games might lag or be slow to load, for this device is not intended for gaming. In fact, some of the Mi TV stick users often experience its slow and sluggish performance. This might be caused by the lack of power input to the stick. The Mi TV stick is powered through a micro USB and it comes with a 1A power adapter. Other users of the Mi TV stick even plugs the cord directly from the TV to decrease cable management. But this potentially decreases the stick's power efficiency. So to fix this issue is don't use the power adapter that came in the box, but use an adapter with at least 2.4 amperes. I've tried it to my Mi TV stick and ever since then the performance has gotten better, faster, and a lot smoother. So that's just a helpful tip for other Mi TV stick users. Now for the interface, it is a standard Android TV which is on Android 9 Pie. You have pre-installed apps such as YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and other Google apps. To see all of the apps installed, click the app icon on the remote. You can arrange and customize sections on the home screen to suit your viewing preferences. As far as the viewing goes, it is limited to only 1080p. In my experience, I can hardly tell because pinaplug ko tong Mi TV stick sa YG300 projector ko, which only supports 320 by 240 resolution. Either way, 1080p still is a great video quality, and it's much more preferable rather than 4K because of how slow the internet is here in the Philippines. I have been using the Mi TV stick for watching Daredevil on Netflix and streaming my own videos to add revenue. Never had a problem with streaming other than there are times that it takes time to load. The Mi TV stick isn't just a streaming device. It also has Google Assistant that can simultaneously serve as your control hub for any smart devices linked to your Google Home app. Kinda like the Google Nest Mini but with streaming services. All you have to do is press the Assistant button on the remote and tell your command. Turn on the light.
Got it. Turn it on, that's it.
Turn off the light.
Got it. Turn it off, that's it.
Overall, the Xiaomi Mi TV stick is a great and cheaper alternative if ever you are in need of a streaming device besides your phone. It is convenient, efficient, and easy to be used. The only problem you'll encounter is the payments you'll do for your subscriptions. And that's it for the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Mi TV stick. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this streaming device. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. At ayun, medyo na-late tayo ng pag-upload. Medyo na-delay tayo. 2 weeks. 2 weeks tayo nakapag-upload. Pasensya na ulit. Medyo nawala lang tayo sa momentum natin. Nawala tayo sa ating mojo para sa paggawa ng videos. At ayun nga guys, patuloy lang kayong mag-ingat sa inyong buhay. Nananatili tayong MECQ at ayun, walang nangyari. Nagkaroon pa ng red tagging sa pagtulong ng mga kapwa natin Pilipino sa mga kumbaga parang nagkaroon ng mga community pantries at tinag pa sila ng mga terorista, komunista. Ang intention lang naman nila is tumulong, parang tanga, di ba? Kumbaga, kapwa Pilipino na nga nila yung tumutulong, tas sinisiraan pa nila. Nakakagago lang talaga tong gobyerno natin. Kaya, ayun guys, stay safe, keep grinding, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!